we call BloodSec International, PSI. No, isang grupo sila na sila rin ang responsible. Kung natatandaan nyo yung 2016 Comelec hacking. Okay, sila ang responsible doon. Talaga sila ang alam nun. Yung nahuli natin nun, mga secondary player lang. Pero sila ang talagang main. Okay. So, we have here
that Philippine Navy sensitive information were hacked. So let me say this, that when we did the examination of the files that were hacked from our servers, and after validation, we found out that it is no different than the data or the information that we share to you every Tuesday during the AFP press conferences. And this can be considered as open source information already. But it dates back to 2022 and 2023. But it's no different than the information that we share to you regularly.
Sir, can you confirm that it involves data regarding West Philippine Sea?
Yes, but it only pertains to the number of vessels that we report to you every Tuesday also. It's the same information.
So, paano po sir yung deployment po ng mga tao po natin? Kasama po ba doon?
No, it's just the disposition of vessels from the other side.
Earlier is yung data na nakuha. These are all mostly open sources. When we say open sources, ito ang collated from TV, from print, and from radios. And then these are disseminated to the senior leadership of the Navy para hindi sa magbasa ng buong dyaryo. Yung tanong mo kanina, what is the significance of it? From the mindset of a hacker, it is more of the accomplishment na naka-breach ka. Not so much on the data. The data will only come later. But even if you ask any ordinary hacker, they get their sense of fulfillment from being able to breach or to break through your data.
So, bragging rights. Bragging rights.
Bragging rights, yes.
So after may wala saan dinadala na
Well, as of the moment, man, ongoing po yung aming investigation and ang time goes further. Kasi meron pang may ina-anticipate na arrest ng mga yan.
Sir, just to clarify,
May nabanggit kayo na may mga nahanap kayo international. So meron ba kayong connection dun sa outside the country? May nag-uutos ba to hack this kind of sites internationally na nag-uutos sa inyo para i-deface yung mga sites na to?
Wala po nag-uutos. Ito po ay parang bragging rights lang po namin na parang yan kami ng nakapasok ng websites.
Sir, sa grupo ninyo, sa AFP lang ba ang may kahinaan ng cybersecurity or pati sa mga websites ng ibang government agency?
Sa ngayon po, hindi ko na po na-text ang ibang websites. Gawa po ng, wala naman po akong karapatan i-invest ito na walang papers. So, hindi ko masasabi.
May nag-reach out ba sa inyo ng mga foreign nationals?
Wala pong nag-reach out sa akin.
Ever?
Ever.
bakit AFP po yung napili nung meron other government agencies na i-invest, pero bakit specifically AFP po yung dinark?
Ito ay Philippine Army and Navy, Philippine Navy websites. Yung Philippine Navy po is to test lang, and yung Philippine Army ng 2016 is the release niya. Hindi pa po ako nagbabago po.
Wala pa kayong mga international members?
Wala po. Puro local hackers.